Alright, target for Npsc and Nssb exams 2025. Let's get started. So the first question is from dice. So now in figure 1 and figure 2 we have two common, which is 4, 2, 4 and 2. And from figure 1 and figure 2 we can say that these two figures are from one dice. How? When we go and clockwise we have 2 and 4. When we go clockwise we have 4 and 2. So if it's from same dice, we need such kind of sequence, right? 2 4 4 2. If you have 2 4 2 4 or 4 2 4 2 clockwise direction time there, then these two figures will be from different dice. However, we're getting 2 4 and 4 2, that means same dice. So in 2 common, the remaining numbers are opposite to each other. So here 6 and 3, 6 is opposite to 3. Let's check figure 2 and figure 3. Now figure 2 and figure 3 we have again 2 common, which is 3 and 4. We have 3 and 4. Let's check whether they're from same dice or no. 3 clockwise direction, 3 4. Clockwise direction, 4 3. So yes. So figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, they are all from same dice. So now same funda, when you have 2 common, then the left out number, which is 2 and 5, are opposite to each other. Question is asking us to find the opposite of 1. Now we're left with what? 1 and 4. That means 1 will be opposite to 4. 2 is the answer. Next one is from mirror image. So in mirror, if 7 number is 7 number, then we will get in this way. So mirror means opposite, right? Mirror means opposite. So here we have D is here, that means opposite of D will be same as D. S will be something like this. I will be as it is, M will be as it is, O will be as it is, but N will be something like this. And O will be as it is, C will be opposite, and E will be opposite. So here the option 1 is the answer. If it is water image, then it will be reciprocal, right? If A, we need it in water image, then it will be reciprocal. But it will not be in opposite. Meaning, 1 is here. If you want it in water image, then you will get it something like this. Alright, so we have this side, left side. That means we need this one on the left side. Next one, we have figures. So here, this is number 1, this is number 3, and this is number 5, this is number 7. We have 11 here, we have 9 here. Now, this is what? Blank white in color, the inside, everything's black, white, that means we need in terms of black. So this is cancel, this is cancel. Now we have black, black. Now if we see the pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 9. Now we need to do this way, right? So we need to find in this one. Now everything has, that's it, in this way. Yes. Now we cannot figure it out now. But again, let's check another one. They are doing the odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So here the smallest one is here. And then 1, 3, 5, 7. So here 1 and 3, 5 and 7. Now if we check it from here, that means the smallest one is on the downside. So 9, 11. That means we need the smallest one here. So the next odd number is what? 13, right? So 13 and 15 will come here. So 13, 15 is this one. Let's check this one. So for this one is from coding and decoding. So we need the alphabets. We know we have 26 alphabets, 26 letters in an alphabet. So if we divide by 2, that means 13 each, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. That's 13. So N, O, B, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we have M, O, B, I, L, E. We have B, R, E, L, O, H. So here M. So we have M here. B is forward. That means 1, 2, 3. So plus 3. O, is it plus 3? O is here. 1, 2, 3. B is plus 3. B, 1, 2, 3. E. Yes, that means everything is plus 3. So you check the silent also, right? Silent code also. S. S, 1, 2, 3. Yes, V is here. So everything is what? Plus 3, plus 3. So here pending. P-A-I-N-D-I-N-G. So here B will get 1, 2, and 3. S, A will get 1, 2, and 3. D. So S and D. That means here this is omitted. This is omitted. L, Q, L, Q, SEM. Right. Let's check the 5 word. 5. I mean the 5 alphabet. So 5 alphabet is 1, 2, 3 for D. So D is here 1, 2, and 3. W or no? So this is V. That means this is wrong. 2 is the right one. Alright, this is very common in our exams. Alright. So here we have 36, 90, and 80, 18. There will be a pattern, and that pattern must follow the next one. Also next set 15, 35, 8, and with help of that one we need to find which one will be the right one. So here we have 36, 90, and 18. Now if we subtract these two, right, let's check whether this is right or wrong. We're getting 18. If we multiply by 5, we're getting this 90. So let's cross check it. 15, 35, and 8. Yeah, that's the right pattern. If we subtract it, then we'll get 7 into 5 times 6, 35. So here we have 14. Let's check. 14 minus 5 will give us 9. Into 5 times we're getting 45. So this is the right one. The rest will be the wrong one. Here we have from blood relation. Alright, this might be a bit new for you guys, but this is called quoting blood relation. Alright. So here this plus means mother. This division means father. This division means father. And this subtraction means sister. Then which of the following expression shows that A is maternal grandfather of C? So A is maternal grandfather means I use this box as male, right? Maternal means mother side of C. So C ka mother ka father. We need to find that one. So here B. B is father of A. Because this division means father. B is father of A. A is mother of C. A is mother of C. But however, we need to find that A is maternal grandfather, right? So here B is the maternal grandfather of C. That means one is wrong. Alright, we have here, but this is the right one. Just so we need, if we change the alphabet. Yes, I think 4 is the answer. Let's check. Because maternal grandfather, right figure. However, we need A on the top, right? So let's check with this one. A is father of B. A is father of B, and B is mother of C. So C ka mother ka father is A. That means yes, 4 is the right one. So you don't have to do everything right. You need to be a bit smart while omitting the options also. Okay, now here we have roar is QZ. Okay, this is coding and decoding again. So we need those things, the alphabets. So let's write this way: A B C D E F G H I J K L M and O B Q R S D U V W X Y Z. So why am I writing this way 13 each? Because sometimes they use their opposite alphabet ka opposite also. So here we have F ka opposite is U. Sometimes they might use this way also. A ka opposite is Z. Right. So in order to make it easier, I'm just doing it 13 and 13 because we know we have 26 alphabets. So here ROAR, ROAR, we have, so RR we have QQ, so we never know, this might interchange also. Now here we have Z. Yes, I think they are interchanging this way because A minus 1 is what? A minus 1 is Z. O minus 1, O is here, O plus 1. Now O plus 1, A minus 1. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Alright. O, for O, we are plus 1. It'll give us N. For A, it's minus 1. We're getting Z. So we can't say for this Q because R plus 1. Alright. So let's check the other one also. HEAR Q. Yes, they are interchanging it because Q ka R is Q, right? We're getting R Q here because H Q is what? Very far. So here we have A Z E plus 1 will give us D. Alright. Yeah, we did a mistake. This is minus 1. So everything is minus 1 now. O minus 1 is N. Right? O minus 1 is N. So E minus 1 is D. So everything is minus minus. They're interchanging it. This one is here and this one should come here. So H minus 1 will give us G. Yes. So D, A, M, B. D is C here. B minus 1 will give us Q. So starting with Q. Do we have it? No. Alright. Minus 1. O. Alright. O. So we have O, right? This is the answer. You don't have to check the others because the starting letter is what? O. So we're getting O. That means that's right. But we can check. Z ka minus 1 is Z. A ka minus 1 is Z. M ka minus 1 is L. Yes, O, L, Z and C. So that's the right one. So this is just a repetition. We just got option 2. Okay. This is samples and notation. By interchanging the given two numbers, which of the following equation will not be correct? Alright, so we need to interchange 5 and 9 and we need to find the incorrect one. So let's check the option 1. So 5 and 9 should be interchanged. So here in place of 9 we will put 5 into 4 plus 9 minus 8 divided by 2. So we don't need to get 25, right? If we get 25, then that's not the answer because they are asking us which will be not correct, right? So 5 4 is a 20 plus 9 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So yeah, we're getting 25. So this is not the answer. Why? Because 20 plus 9 is 29 minus 4 will give us 25. Let's check this one. 9 and 5 should be interchanged. So this is for 1. Let's try for the 2. So we have 5 here minus 9 into 4 plus 6 divided by 3. This should not be equal to minus 30, right? Only then that will be the answer. So 5 here minus 9 4 is 36 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So minus 30. So we're getting 7 here. 7 minus 36. Yes, that's the answer. Because we're not getting it. Here we're getting minus 29. So which is not equal to minus 30. So That's the answer. Okay, for this one, this figure, there will be a pattern. Okay, now let's check the pattern. We have in diamond shape, then box, square, diamond, square, diamond. We need square, but all the options are in terms of square. So what's next? Like, let's try counting this thing. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 4. So here 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Is it 6 here? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, so we need 8 here. So let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Cancel. We need 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is wrong. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This might be the answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 here, right? But again, if we observe it very closely, that means here we have extra is here, we have another extra, we have another extra. Now this is close, fine. We have extra is here, so we need extra or no. Now these things are what? Close, right? So this is the right one. So this is also wrong. Okay, now we have another set. So here the same thing. We need to find the correct set. Operation should be performed on the whole number. Okay, whole number starts from where? 0 1 2 3 and so on, without breaking down the number into its constituent digits. Alright, this means if we have 13 number, that means we cannot split 1 3. Right, 1 3, we cannot split that way. So here we have 452, 50 here, we have 63 here. So how do we get this number? By doing a pattern. So we need to find a pattern. Then let's, if we check it very closely, yeah, I think this might be the pattern. So the biggest number 452, if we divide by 4, 4 1 times 4, 4 1 times 4, and 4 3 times is 12. So these two plus will give us what? 113 or no? So let's check here. We have 260, we have 35, we have 30. If we divide by 4, 4 6 times 24, and 4 5 times 20, that means if we add these two, 35 plus 30, we're getting 65. So all the big numbers must be divisible by 4, right? So we can omit some options. Here 330 is not divisible by 4. How do we know that it's divisible by 4? Just check the last two digits. 52, right? In this case 52, last two digit, right? So this must be divisible by 4. So 52 is divisible by 4 or no? But 30 is not divisible by 4. 30 is not divisible by 4, so omitted. 260 is divisible by 4. But again, we just did 260 is what? If we divide by 4, we're getting 65 or no? That means the remaining two number after doing the sum, we need 65 or no? Right. Not 64 but 65, right? So here 30 plus 25 will never give us 65. That means this will be wrong. Now if we divide 260, then we'll get 65. If we divide by 4. Now 50 plus 15 is what? 65, right? So option 3 is the right one. Okay. Again, coding and decoding. A, C, A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Let's just write away, right, for now, because this one though wouldn't have any specific pattern to match with the question. So option is still right away, so we can just write M, N, O, B, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That's 26 letters. So C C, G, and B. C we have here plus 1 2 3 4 plus 4. Here we have G 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, 5. Okay, what about for F, Y, and I? So this one is minus 5. F, Y is too far, so let's take the other side. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Alright, minus 7. Y and I, so let's take it right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 10. So plus 10. Yes, because y bichide ake jaise, y plus 1, z plus 1 will come to a, b, c, right? R, k, and u. R is here, so it's either 4 plus 4 or it's either minus 7. So R, we have k means what? Minus, right? So let's do minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, so I think answer will be this one, because here we're using minus 7. Here are we getting plus 10? No, k is here. If we take then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So yeah, 100% 1 is the answer. The rest options will get minus 7 plus 10. Okay, next one. So we have 12 42 and 7. 12 42 and 7. So that's a set, so we need to find the correct pattern again. So we have 12 42 and 7. Okay, so there will be a pattern again, so let's check. Let's try with this one, divided by 4. So we're multiplying these two and we're dividing it by 4. So here 4 3 times, 3 7 is 21. No, that's not possible. Okay, why don't we try with the other one again? Can we? Yes, instead of dividing by 4, let's divide by 2. 2 1 times, 2 6 times, so 6 7 times is 42. So we're getting it. So we have 13 52 and 8. So if we multiply these two, 13 into 8, if we divide by 2 4 times, that means 4 13 times will give us 52. That means here from the option we need to multiply and divide by 2. Now if we divide by 2, will never give us 7, wrong. If we multiply and divide by 2, 7 into 6. Now if we divide by 2, we're getting 21, so wrong. This is also wrong. This have to be the answer, right? Next, let's check. 9 18 and 4. So 9 into 4 divided by 2. Yes, that's the answer. We're getting 18. So option 4 is the answer. Okay. Again, coding and decoding. So coding and decoding is I think even in our Npsc and Nssb exam, it's very common, right? Coding and decoding. So we have window WX, right? We need the alphabets again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O B Q R S D U V W X Y and Z. Window WINDOW. So here we're getting X, that means W plus 1. I, we're getting F. So I is here, F means what? Minus 3 or no? Minus 3, right? minus 3. N, we're getting O. N is here, O. So I think it's plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3, right? But let's check. D, for D we have E. Oh, here we're getting only plus 1. D plus 1. O, we have E. O, we have L. O, we have O minus 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. This should be plus 1. WX. So we're using a pattern. First we'll plus 1, then subtract by 3, plus 1 in the middle, and minus 3 plus 1. So let's try with region. REGION. Because even the decade, it will follow the same pattern. D plus 1 is U. I minus 3 is F. C plus 1 is D. K minus plus 1 or minus 3 plus 1 is L. Yes. E minus 3 is B, and D plus 1 will give us U. So we're following the same pattern. R plus 1 is S. So we can omit these two. We'll start from S. E minus 3. So E minus 3 means 1, 2, and 3. So P. So this is omitted. So this will be the answer. But let's check. G plus 1, H. I plus 1 is J. O minus 3 will give us L. N plus 1 is O. So S, P, H, J, L, and O. We have S, P, H, F, L, O. So I think we're following the pattern. So this is what? Blunder. Right. The option is blunder. This should be J. Right. If we follow the pattern, then we're getting only question number 1 got C options. Right. Next one. Okay, we can take this one again. So D, A, G, we have D, A, G. So there will be a pattern. So I always go this way. So D plus G, D, 1, 2, 3. So plus 3. G plus J, yes, plus 3. J plus 3. What for A? A, we have A here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have plus 4. E plus 4 is I or no? E plus 4 is yes. So the next letter is plus 4 plus 4. So if this is alright, we're coming back to the first letter, which is D, G, J, and M. Plus 3 will give us what? M ka plus 3 is 1, 2, 3. B. So we did B. This is omitted. This is omitted. Next one is we have A plus 4, right? So we have M here. M plus 4 will give us Q. Is it Q? Yes, we'll get Q. So this one is omitted. This will be the answer. But let's check the third letter ka pattern also. J, K, and L. So here plus 2. J plus 1 and 2. L plus 2 is N. Yes, N plus 2 is B. B plus 2 will give us R. So we'll get R. So that's the answer. Next one. Next one is from samples and notation again. So they're asking us to find which two sign and two numbers should be interchanged in the following equation to make it correct. Okay. So we need to interchange two number and two sign in order to get equal to 203. So let's try with 1. So here 15 and 6 should be changed, right? So 14 into, in place of 6 we're writing 15. Divide and plus need to be changed, so here division becomes plus. 12 plus means division, and then 6 should be here. So 14 into 15 plus 12 by 6, here we are getting 2. So now if we multiply here and plus, then we'll never get 203. Why? Because the unit digit is 4, here 5. 4, 5 is 20. We have 0. 0 plus 2 will give us 2. So we'll never get 3. So 1 is cancelled, wrong. Let's try the second one. Second one is 12 and 15. So 14 into 6, or into and subtraction should be changed. So here this becomes minus. Division divided by 12 and 15 should be changed, so here 15 will come here, and then plus becomes as it is, minus becomes multiplication, and here they're asking us to interchange what? 12 and 15. Okay, so let's write it once more because we did the blunder again. So okay, 14 into means minus 6 divided by 12 becomes 15, plus as it is 15 becomes 12, minus becomes into 9. So here 14 divided by 6 by 15 plus 12 into 9. So I don't think we'll get the answer here, even here also, but let's check. 14 minus 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, plus 9 2s are 18, 1 and 10, 9 1s are 9 10. So this will never give us what, 200 plus, right? So even this is wrong. Let's check option number 3. 12 and 9, and division and minus should be interchanged. So 14 into 6, division should be changed to minus, 12 should be 9, plus 15, and then here minus should be what? Division, right? Divided by 12. 9 should be 12. So 6 4s are 24, 2 and 9, 6 1 6 7 8, minus 9 plus 15 by 12 here, 3 5 times, 3 4 times. So this one also I don't think we'll get, but let's check again. Because 5 divided by 4 will give us 1 point something. Now we'll plus with 84 and we'll never get. So this is also wrong. So this must be the right one, right? Let's check. 14 should be interchanged to 6. So 6 will come here. Multiplication becomes division, and 14 will be here. Division becomes multiplication. 12 plus 15 minus 9. So in Budmas rule, BODMAS, division comes first, right? So we'll divide first into 12 plus here 15 and 9. If we subtract it, then we're getting 6. 2 3 times, 2 7 times. So even here we're not getting it. So I think we made a blunder in the previous option also. So let's give it a try. Let's cross check it. So 16, 14 and division and multiplication are changing for option number 4. So we did it rightly. We did it correctly, right? 6 divided by 14 into 12 plus 15 minus 9. Now here 2 3 times, 2 7 times, 3 12 times will give us 36 divided by 7 plus 6. If we divide it, 7, 36 is here, plus 42. No. So this is also wrong. So let's check again, cross check. 3. So 12 and 9 should be interchanged. So 12 and 9, here we'll get 9, here we'll get 12. So, and then division and subtraction should be changed. So 14 into 6, right? Division should be minus, 12 should be 9, plus 15, minus becomes division, and 9 becomes 12. So here, alright, minus 9 plus 15 by 12, 3 5 times, 3 4 times. Now if we check it, alright, if we check it, then here we have LCM becomes 4 times 16, 1 hand, 8 4 times is 32, 33, minus 9 4 times is 36, plus 5. So we are getting here 3 41 minus 36 divided by 4. So 341 and 36. If we subtract it, then it means we're getting here 5, 0 and 3. If we divide by 4, no, it's not divisible. Let's try with option 2 again. Option 2. So option 2, there 12 and 15 should be changed. So here this becomes 15 and this becomes 12 again. And minus and into will change. So this becomes minus and this becomes into. So 14 minus 6 divided by 15 plus 12 into 9. Right, let's check this one. So here we need 2 3 times. Let's go with 3 2 times and 3 5 times. Division is, we have 5 in the LCM, and then we have 5 4 times 0, 2 in hand, 70 minus 2 plus into 5. So here 12 into 9 will give us 18, 108 into 5. So this will give us 540. 540. Now if we cancel it again, 540 70 will give us 0, 1 and 6 minus 2. Minus 2 give us 608 divided by 5. 5 1 times. No, this is not possible. So I think the question is wrong, right? But let's check again. Option 1, 15 and 6 must be interchange, right? So let's do it once more. So here 14, 6 and 15 needs to be interchange, and then plus and division. So here into, we have 6 here, 6 and 15, that means here 15 will be here, division becomes plus, and then next one is 12, plus becomes division, 15 becomes 6 minus 9. So here 14 into 15. So 5 4 is 20, 2 in hand, 5 6 7 4 1 0, and then here we have 1 2 10. So we have 210 plus 12 divided by 6 minus 9. That means here we have 2 here. So 100 212 minus 9 would give us, yeah, I think that's the answer. 3 here, we have 0 2. Yes. So option 1 was the correct option, right? I think I made a blunder earlier, right? But it happens during exam time also. And then even me, I'm solving it right away, right? Because I love to solve right away. Okay, next one is from Syllogs. So Syllogs day, this is reasoning. I brought only reasoning questions for this part 1. So here some bulb are switched. So some part of bulb belongs to switch, and no switch is was. So they have no relation. All fan are switched. So fan, all the fans belongs to switch. Conclusion 1 2 3 4. We have conclusion 1 2 3 4. Or let's check conclusion 1. Some bulb being fan is a possibility. So bulb being fan is a possibility. They can touch. Yes, they can touch. So it's true. No fan is was. That means fan and was cannot touch. So let's check whether they can touch or not. So fan and was can touch. Fan and was cannot touch. So that's also true. All switch are fan. All the switch are fan. No, all fan are switch. Right. So this is false. No bulb is was. Bulb and was can touch or no? Yeah, we can touch. Without violating the statement, we can touch. Bulb and was can touch. We can do this also, because we're not violating the statement, right? So they can touch. That means that's false. If they can touch, it's false. So here only 1 and 2 follows. That's the right one. Next one is also from coded blood relation. So here hash means mother. AB, right? Sometimes you need to check this one. A hash B means sometimes they might give you B is mother of A. In that case also. But here we have respectively, right? So A is mother of B. So hash means mother, @ means son, N means brother, person means wife. So let's check. W hash. So W is mother of, so I'm using circle as female, right? So W is mother of Q, and @ means son. So Q is son of who? D. So husband of W. N means we have brother. So D is brother of Y. So D is brother of Y. And @ means son. So Y is son of M. And M person. M is what? Wife of K. So M is wife means female of K. This becomes male. So how is K related to W? So in this case, remember this one. Whenever the word do is very important. So adjacent to do we have W, right? So we need to check how do we go to K. So W is here, K is here. So W to K, we will call it as father-in-law or no? Yes, father-in-law. So answer is father-in-law. We have again syllogism. Syllogism is logical reasoning. Some W are F. So some part of W belongs to F. Which part? This part. Some R are F. Some part of R belongs to F too. Some R are not W. No W is R. So some not and no. Okay. So some R are not W. Some not case they R do. Sob to W de kushu paribo na nai. We have to check. So R do sob to W de kushu le paribo. Yes, we can also write this way, right? W is here, F is here. So F R do inhibi show paribo. So we're not voiding this statement. So pare ase parele it's false. No W is R. W or R do chu paribo na nai. Yes, they can touch also. Yete inhibi paribo to. Without voiding the statement, we can write this way also by touching R and F, R and W, R, W and F, right? Because W and R they can touch. So if you can touch, answer is what? False. So here neither 1, 2 follows. Okay, here we have question 19, which is coding and decoding again. Coding and decoding again. So break, BREAK. Okay. So now they're using the corresponding number. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, B, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Corresponding number mane A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, J is 10, 13, O is 15, 20, 25. So B is 2 or no? Yes, we have here 2, B is 2. R is 18 or no? R is what? 18, 19 and 20, so 18. But E is 5 here, we're using as what? 2. Okay. A is what? 1. Okay, A is 1. K will be 11 or no? K is 11. Okay, so we are yet to find a pattern. We know now they're using the corresponding number, but we have a problem here regarding E. COLOUR. Let's check the next one. C means 3, O means 15, but here we have again 4. So I think they are dealing something regarding vowels, different pattern, and then the consonant, their corresponding number. So we have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So let's take A is 1. Why? Because we have A is 1, E is 2, E. Oh, yes, I think that's the answer. I 3, O 4, and U is 5. O is 4. Yeah, 4. We have 4. So we're using the pattern vowels A1, E2, I3, O4, U5, and the remaining consonants we're taking the corresponding number. So here we have the word D, R, I, N, G. So D is 20, R is 18. So starting from 20, 18. Okay. I will be 3. So 20, 18, 3. 20, 18, 3. This is 1 wrong. 20, 18, 9 wrong. 20, 18, 3. Okay. Next one is N is what? N is 14 or no? N is 14 here. So 14. So 14 is here, no? This is the right one. N is not 17. So 3 is the correct one. Next one. Next one is again symbols and notation. So last year we Npsc prelims to symbols and notation आइजे. Right? If you read the question, then it's very easy also. So they're asking in place of start a one sign to change core like and then yeah the equal be say that means left hand side is equal to right hand side correct whole like. So let's check. 1 20 first to minus as a 2 into 50 is equal to 5 plus 115. So here we have no, we will not get because here 20 minus 100 right is equal to we have 120 power let's say we'll never get equal. So यदि minus arrow into the shift crucially though पाइ जाओ ना I don't think so. But let's check this one. This one will be right. किले मान्नुले यदि plus arrow into अजे इधर दिख पाओ पड़े. Let's check option 2. 20 plus 2 into 50 is equal to 5 minus 115. Oh, I think we'll not get again. This will give us 110. Yes, minus 110. And this will give us 20 plus 100. So 120 is not equal to minus 100. Let's check the third one. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Third one is 20 plus 2 into 50 minus 5 is equal to 115. So here 20 plus 2 into 50 is 100 minus 5 is, yes, we're getting it. So here this one will give us 15. 120 minus 5. So here we're getting 115 and then this is equal to 115 or no. So option 3 is the right one. Okay, now this is also from symbols and notations only, so we need to arrange it in English dictionary wise. So but we have a problem here because all the starting letters is E, so we're gonna decide which one will come first. And English dictionary order mane A, B, C, D, that means A letter will come first, B letter word will come first, C letter word will come first. So E ase yadi X भी same ase, B भी same ase, E भी same ase. तो यदि N ase, यदि D ase, यदि R ase, यदि I, this is L and this is N ase. So यदि N, D, R, L or D ase. So English dictionary they I think D come first among the 5 letters. But again we have 2 T. So let's go to the next one. यदि I ase, D la next to I ase, D la again I. Okay, so we're gonna decide again. So let's go to the next one. We have D here, we have D here. I, we have D here, we have D here. Now we have I here again. Yes. And then the next one is U. So this one will come first or no? So 2 will come first. So if 2 comes first, that means 3 and 4 is omitted. Alright. Next one though, we know 4 will come first. Second. So itu first, itu second I will. Kili manule D देखिए. Next one though, N will come first or no? After D digit N, because N, O, P, Q, R, oh, L will come. L will come. So here 3. That means 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. we made a blunder again, because the next 5 recurring 5, though this was not D but this was N, right? So we made the blunder again. This is not D but this is N. That means here this will come first, this will come second. That means if this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, that means 2, 4. Alright. Next one though, N I will like well, N la majority the S as a already D as a. That means this will come first or no? 3. So 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 D kasi it will be today 1 I will like yes, it will 4 will like so today 1 I will. So 2, 4, 5, 1 do it was a. This is the wrong one. Clear manole N same as a. But the next letter like the S ekta do D as a. That means D will first I say it will be the S I will. So that belongs to N or no? Right. So I believe you get this one. Alright. Question 22. 22 is also from coding and decoding. Alright. Lots of coding decoding questions in this part 1. R M D S. Okay. So here again, I think we need this one, but we need to write it again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y and Z. So we have R and we're getting W. So R is here, W means we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. W is plus 5. The next is B. W 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. That means this is also plus 5. B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So the next plus 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So L I will go. But so L A as a. So we cannot omit now. Next to M do G uji. So M do ये say G means वापस आया से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 6. Right. Earlier was plus 5 and the next letter to minus 6. Let's check. G to B to minus 6 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G to A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, minus 6. That means here U do minus 6 hole. U do is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. O. This is omitted. Next to D daga do A aise. D daga do A aise will do yede 4 jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plus 7. A do H aise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plus 7 as so O will be plus 7. O is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So V. LOV as next one will decide. S tagado K H K tagado C. That means reverse as so S tagado K H. S is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 as minus 8. So plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8. Right. So I think TQ nishna to be K do minus 8 chale C hoas na nai. K is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. That means U do minus 8 hole. Yete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. M though, that means LOVM is the right one. So this is the wrong one. Next one though, figures as a itu laga figure thakina option kundu as a it's very easy. We need something like this, right? Itu takalaga. So here itu na thakbo lage. So it is actually the 9 cancel. It is actually the, are we getting this one or no? See, yes, pass. So that's the answer. Next one though, this is missing number series पर असे तो 1 असे ये 22 असे ये 44 असे ये 67 असे ये 91 असे ये question mark असे numbers actually तो increase करे जे ओली भी इमान डांगोर number increase करा नहीं so multiplication न हो तो किमान increase करे जे 21 increase करे जे ये किमान ये 22 so 21 22 so it can be 23 also next. Yes, this is 23 and this should be 24. Yes, son, we need 25, right? Plus করব লাগিব so 5 6 option is 6 টাকা তো itu we know and then here 1 1 6 will be the answer, so that's the one. So the last question for the part 1, we're targeting Npsc Nssb exam for this year, right? So now question 25 day we need to find the odd one, right? Odd one, select the odd one. We have 7 and 71, 11 and right. So for this one though, 7 into 10 plus 1 also will give us 71. Let's check this one also. 10 into 11 into 10 plus 1, we're getting 111. Even for this one, 8 into 10 plus 1, we're getting 81. But here 12 into 10 plus 1 will give us 121 and we're getting 167, right? So 4 is the option. Alright, 4 will be the answer. So for the this PDF का material though, I will share it in my Telegram page. You can follow my page also, and then I'll see you in the part 2 video. Alright, so yeah, thank you so much.